Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to use FaceTime with an Android phone through an iPhone in a quick and simple way. Even though FaceTime is originally designed for Apple devices, Apple has made it possible for Android users to join calls using a shared link. And I will show you exactly how it works. But before that, here's what we will cover. Number 1. Open FaceTime. Number 2. Create a link. Number 3. Share the link. Number 4. Join and accept the call. Let us jump right in. At step number 1, open FaceTime. Start by unlocking your iPhone and locating the FaceTime app on your home screen or app library. Tap to open it, and you'll be taken to the main FaceTime interface where you usually start video or audio calls. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to ensure a smooth call experience later on. Step number 2, create a FaceTime link. Once you're inside the FaceTime app, do not tap New FaceTime like you normally would for Apple-to-Apple calls. Instead, look for the Create Link option and tap on it. This feature generates a unique FaceTime link that can be opened on non-Apple devices, including Android phones, through a web browser. Step number 3. Share the link. After the link is created, a sharing menu will pop up on your screen. From here, you can choose how you want to send the link to the Android device. You can use messages, mail, or third-party apps like WhatsApp. Simply select the app, choose your contact, and send the link. Step number 4. Join and accept the call. Now on the Android user side, just tap the link sent. It will automatically open in the default web browser such as Chrome. Then, you'll be prompted to enter a name. This is the name that will appear in the call. Then tap Done. After that, select Join to request access to the FaceTime session. Back on the iPhone, it will receive a notification that someone is requesting to join the call. Tap on that notification, then tap Join yourself if you haven't already entered the call. At the top of your screen, you'll see that there is a participant waiting. Tap on their name, and then approve them by tapping the green check mark. Once you accept the request, the Android will be let into the call, and you'll be connected just like a regular FaceTime conversation. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this guide is intended for general and legitimate use, such as staying connected with friends, family, or colleagues across different devices. Keep in mind that Android users join through a browser, so features may be slightly limited compared to Apple devices. Always ensures both users have a stable and secure internet connection for the best video and audio quality. And that's it. You can now use FaceTime to connect with your Android straight from an iPhone. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and practical tech tips. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.